video, we'll briefly cover the most common components and features of a DSC Power Series alarm system, like what we would typically install. While this does not cover every type of sensor or contact, this does cover the most popular peripherals. On the right side of our display, on the brown section, is the most popular peripherals for your alarm system. You may have a few of these or most of these, and they may look similar to what we have here. Because of design changes or different vendors, the peripherals may look different, but still accomplish the same task. I will now go over our peripherals. Starting in the center is our keypad. This is the interface for your alarm system. You can arm, disarm, program, and check your alarm status, along with other features. Newer DSC keypads have this design. Older DSC keypads will have a black face around the display, like the one I have here. Still accomplish the same tasks and features, but it's just a slightly different design. Now we will go to the upper left. This is a typical commercial door or window contact. These are hardwired into the alarm panel. When the door or window opens or closes, the contact opens and closes. If your system has chime enabled, the keypad will chime at opening and closing. Below the contact is a recessed contact. These are typically found in doors and sliders. They are hardwired and recessed inside of the frame to minimize tampering and for visual appeal. This also behaves like the door and window contact in that it will chime at opening and closing. Our display shows a cross-section. What you would typically see is just a round flat sensor top in your door jamb. Below the recessed contact is our glass break detector. Glass break detectors can be designed visually different. In this case, it is round with a red light in the center. Glass break detectors, like their name implies, detects glass breakage or high-pitched percussive noises. This detector is a hardwired detector. Wireless glass break detectors are more rectangular with a dimple crease across the top. When a high percussive noise occurs, such as a window breaking, the sensor will alert with a chime or cause a burglary signal if the system is armed. The top middle sensor is a hardwired motion sensor. Motion detectors detect movement within a detector's field of view. We will go over a wireless motion in a minute, but I want to point out the biggest difference between a hardwired and a wireless motion, which is the red light, like it's been blinking here. A hardwired motion has the capacity to display a red light when movement occurs, and the wireless shuts off the red light to conserve power. This hardwired motion detects movement in the field of view to alert for unauthorized movement in the premises. On the bottom middle of our display is a wireless contact. This operates the same as a wired contact, except it is wireless and can be mounted in a variety of places. In the upper right of our display is a hardwired smoke detector. This detects smoke and sometimes heat if equipped. When a smoke detector is activated, a fire signal is sent to the monitoring station to dispatch for the fire department. This type of peripheral is always active, and the system does not need to be armed to send a fire signal. Hardwired smoke detectors come in a variety of shapes and sizes. Please view my video on smoke detectors for more information. Below our smoke detector is a wireless motion detector. This operates the same as a hardwired motion, except the red light does not come on when movement occurs. The red light times out after installation to prolong battery life. On the bottom right of our display is a wireless smoke detector. This operates the same as a hardwired smoke detector, except that it is wireless. Most DSC wireless smoke detectors look similar to this design. Again, please view the smoke detector video for more information. Finally, next to our keypad is a standard DSC 4-button remote. These key fobs, along with all wireless devices, can only be used on the DSC alarm systems with wireless capabilities. The 4-button key fob allows the user to remotely arm, disarm, and create a panic alarm remotely.